Our willingness to listen to an architect's specific needs and our capability to make product that meet those needs are, I think, what brings architects to us and keeps them coming back. My father and uncle and their sisters went to the Rockwood schools, and after graduation they saw an opportunity in the post-World War II building boom era to start their own business.
In Rockwood, we've got a tremendous group of truly artisan craftsmen. Their legacy is largely family-based. Therefore, you've got a lot of dedication, a lot of pride, and a lot of ownership of the company.
There's a lot of neat things that go on, a lot of custom things, and the guys and everyone that pulls together and the people we work with, it's just a good atmosphere.
Anytime that you have a win or you have a success, or I watch an employee learn a new skill set, that's a great day. The people and the mentality and the work ethic, we tend to take on a family dynamic within the workplace, and I think it shows.
Just by the geographic location of Rockwood, it's really become a staple of the community, and therefore the community has really embraced Rockwood. The families and the employees embrace Rockwood, and they want it to succeed. Rockwood's really a special place. There is a fun team, family environment here. Customer experience and the value of that is top of mind, and there's really an attitude of get it done.
We have a lot of experience, and we have an efficiency-minded mentality that enables us to provide a workable solution that's usually in the budget the architect has in mind. So it's work we love to do, and I think we have a passion to do it as a company.